good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along, we are back out here on the massive custom home we're building in the Temecula wine country. It's an awesome day. The sun is out. Hot air balloons were up this morning when we got here. We got here about 5:30 this morning. A lot of balloons were going up during the sunrise. But it's an awesome day to be out here pouring this foundation. You know, we had about a week and a half delay because of a bridge issue right down here. So we had to get this bridge engineered so the trucks would come across it. But we're moving forward with this project. So we have lumber that's going to be delivered in about a week and a half. We're going to get rolling on the framing on this thing. But tomorrow we're going to do saw cutting. Today we're going to pour out this 95 yards of concrete, strip all the forms off, clean up the whole entire job. Saw cut tomorrow, start framing next week. So if you guys wouldn't mind, before we go any further, if you'd give us a thumbs up on our video, it just helps YouTube to recommend our video to other people, and we're trying to grow our channel. And maybe hit the subscribe button, follow us on some of our projects. I'm going to try my best to start filming more because we build a lot of massive, awesome projects. We have a lot going on. We have a lot coming up. So hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Let's go down and see what's happening. Okay, so we've had a lot of trucks coming up here today. You know, these guys are working their butts off getting this done. You know, it's starting to warm up out here. It doesn't look like we're really going to get any rain anymore, and feels like the cold weather is gone. But it was a little cold this morning, but right now it's warming up. We got a lot of people here. You can see we got the massive boom truck. Right, it's just a lot easier to use a boom truck to pour these foundations. But yeah, these guys are moving right along. Right here, they're screeding the concrete. You see, that's how they get it level. You know, on commercial jobs, we use laser screeds. But residential, we normally like this. It'd be hard to get a laser screed in and out of here, so we're screeding it by hand, and coming out really good. Let's go down here and take a look. Jose's down here prepping the garage. You know, we're going to pour the garage last because the foundation in the garage, that's a separate pour that floats. You know, you don't tie foundations into the stem walls, or at least we don't. How's it going, Jose?
Good, bud.
Good?
Good.
So he's going to start stripping the forms. When this job's done today, we will strip all these forms off. But everything's looking good. Coming out really nice. We're looking forward to getting into the framing stages on this job. This style of home is the first time going in this valley, the Temecula Valley. You know, there's a lot of ranch style homes. If you looked on this video, you probably see them over here in the hills. A lot of ranch style homes. This is a whole different style of house. These plans were drawn by Access 3. It's Steven Sigler, his son Josh and Jason. They do an outstanding job. This is our first time building off of their plans, and we're real excited because this is going to be a challenging project. Very challenging, but you know, that's what makes it fun and exciting and not boring. But they're drawing a lot of these. This style house is becoming very popular based off of Steven's drawings. So we're looking forward to getting this thing up and it being the first of its kind in this valley. So hopefully you guys will follow along from start to finish. We have a big swimming pool that's going to go over here where all these trucks are parked. And if you watched my last video, I covered the conduit that we put over here, okay? We stubbed out extra conduit for the swimming pool in the future because I do not like it when I build a brand new house and somebody comes and drills holes in the stucco. Plus, we would have to run the lines all the way around and then go all the way down there to the swimming pool for the electrical panel. So what I did was I stubbed the panel, went underground, ran it over here, and so I know where to find it. I stubbed it out right down here where you see this plumbing clean out. So my electrical's down there in the footing, and then when it's time to do the swimming pool, We will dig down right there, find our conduit, tie into it, take it down there and tie it into the swimming pool panel, electrical panel. So you always want to be thinking ahead if you're going to get into contracting, right? Or if you're going to do a DIY, you want to think ahead of how you can save money. That's going to save probably $2,500 in copper instead of going all the way around the house, you know, plus we would have a lot of 90s. So that's what you want to do. You want to always be thinking ahead how to save the client money. You know, you're also in it to make money when you own a company or when you're a building contractor, but you also want to save the client money. So we're always thinking of those things. You can see these depressions right here. Okay. These are back-to-back showers. There's going to be a framed wall right here. So there'll be a framed wall right here. This is the kids' rooms, back-to-back showers. These are recessed because they're going to be walk-in. There won't be any shower dam. So how's it going, buddy?
Good.
Turning out good? You're working your butt off, right?
Every single day.
Every single day, huh? So these guys, man, they do a great job. You know, it's a lot of work, back breaking. You know, he's over here running this trowel out there, smoothing it all out. All right, he's got the little hand float here, just smoothing out around the bolts before they put a finish on it. Looking really good. We are excited about this project. You know, this is all scheduling because we have a lot of huge projects going on. We have a bunch coming up. I'm going to try to film more. I'm going to try to film at least 4 or 5 at a time. That's going to take me a while to get to that point, but here's the massive footings right here. You know, there's I-beams that go here. They're going to go down in these footings, and then we have to put a lot of steel in here. That's why we're not pouring these today. Those templates come out. We have some big metal plates that go down there. We're going to weld these I-beams too. These are going to support a porch that's up here, but right here you'll see we put some lumber. We put some, I cut some plywood and put it here. These are recessed. So the concrete will have a 3/4 inch recess right there because this wall will open all the way up and that wall will open all the way up. So these are massive doors that go here. 4 panels here, 4 panels there, no post in the middle. They will open up and this will come out flush onto this patio. So these I-beams that are here are going to support the roof structure up above. That is a non-bearing wall, so this will be the sitting patio for the swimming pool that's going right out here, right? So that's what's happening. Things are turning out really good out here today. This is a power meeting going on over here.
Yeah, pumpers meeting, you know.
So looking really good. These guys are going to continue on with what they're doing using the boat. We have another recess over here, right? So we have some doors here. This is a 3 panel. They will slide open all the way and this will come out, another recess. So the tile we put inside the house, we'll put a strip of tile in this door track and then we'll tile out here on this porch and it will all be flush. Look really good. Okay, that's it. We're gonna strip all these forms today. After we put a finish on this thing, we'll pour the garage last. Then we'll come back. These guys will be here finishing all day, stripping all the forms, getting all these stakes, all this lumber out of here, leave a nice clean job, and then get our lumber delivered. So that's what's happening on this job. You know, we waited a long time, about 2.5 years after grading to get rolling on this thing. Then we did have a 1.5 week delay down here with this bridge, but this is not a big deal, you know. Sometimes you have a few setbacks, you know, nothing's perfect. You know, every day isn't perfect, but you strive for it to be the best as possible. We make the best out of every day because I love what I do. My guys love what they do. We're gonna continue doing it. So hit the subscribe button, give us a like on our video. You know, without the likes, we really can't grow the channel. So if you like the video, give us a like on our video. You guys have an outstanding day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Hopefully, you can learn something by watching our projects that'll help you with your project.